today I will be filming a brow tutorial. Sorry, my neighbor just walked across and it scared me. But I will be filming a brow tutorial. My brows are freshly done. I tweezed them, as you can see. This technique I use, or my technique, specific to me, this is my brow tutorial. Not how everybody has to do this, but how I like doing my brows. I'm placing heavy emphasis on your brows being tweezed, waxed, or however you like doing them for the best results. With my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder and my Face Expert brush by Real Techniques, I apply some of that setting powder to my eyebrow area just to get rid of the excess oil I may have, as I do have oily skin and tend to get oiliest in my T-zone area. To fill in my brows, my current favourite brow product is my NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso. This is a flat brow pencil, so it really helps getting a natural looking brow. And it also has a spoolie on the end, which helps make it the most perfect eyebrow pencil ever. I brush up my brows with the spoolie and just shape them into place a bit more, and begin to fill in my brow with the slanted brow pencil. So you want to use the brow pencil in a way that allows you to be drawing hair-like strokes to mimic the natural shape, direction of your eyebrow. I love that the pencil is so light, so you actually have to build yourself to get a darker brow. So this brow can be perfect for a no makeup day, brows, eyelashes and lip gloss day, or for a full face beat. With the way I do my brows, it's so easy for you to have really chunky, thick brows if your eyebrows are not groomed, which is why I said in the beginning that it's important to have your eyebrows freshly plucked, waxed, or whatever you do to your brows. So hair-like strokes in the beginning so that there's a gradient in the brow. Line the top of my eyebrow as I get towards the end of it, just so that there's a bit more shape. To highlight my brow, just so that it looks a lot sharper, I will be using an angled brush and my Conceal and Define concealers from Makeup Revolution. I use C13 closest to the beginning of the brow as it is closest to my skin tone. And towards the end of the brow, where there is the higher arched area, I use C12. I don't know why I do this, but I feel as though it just adds a very lifting effect to the brow. So I'm all about that arch and everything looking sharp, and C12 and C13 mixed together really helps me achieve that look. Look at the difference between the brow that has been highlighted and the brow with no concealer underneath. It looks a lot cleaner, the brow stands out a lot more, and I feel like with the concealer under the brows it helps raise the face or lift the face a lot. It's like a mini facelift. I then go over with my Face Expert brush with whatever powder that's left over on it to press into the eyelid area, the eyebrow area, where the concealer's been applied. And this almost acts as a base for whatever eyeshadow I'll be doing for the day. And if I feel as though the beginning of the brows is a bit too blocky or a bit too harsh, I then use the leftover powder on the beginning of the eyebrow. To highlight my brow bone area, I will be using an eyeshadow by KIKO. I'll list the name for this in the description bar, and I'll also use my detailer brush from Real Techniques. With the eyeshadow highlighter in quotation marks, a little goes a long way. It's a very nice, it's like a champagne color. Nothing too golden, nothing too silvery, it's the perfect shade for me. So just light strokes of this, and then I blend it downwards into the brow bone area so that it really helps add some dimension to my eyebrows. So this is the eyebrow look when used with a full face of makeup. It's very nice. It's not too faint. I like the brow pencils because right now I'm feeling really nice, natural looking brows, and I think the Espresso shade from NYX really complements me, suits my weave color. Doesn't look too dark on my face. I filmed a full face, so look out for that video as well. I'm not sure if it'll be out before or after this eyebrow tutorial, but thank you for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. I hope to see you next time.